looking for. So add at least 20 products from each product idea that I'm passing on to you guys in this video. One more quick thing. Everything that I'm talking about in this video, you guys can find it on the full blog below. So watch this video and then read the blog. This way you'll enrich your knowledge the right way and you'll have all of these product ideas in your head and it'll be much easier for you to go and implement it. The second product idea that I have for you guys to add to your stores are laser hair removers. So women are not going out to pedicure and manicure and all of those services. That's because they're simply not available on lockdown. So it's a good thing that we have our dropshipping stores. We can simply sell these products. They are super trendy right now. You can just see by the number of orders and reviews that this is a very popular product. And if you search it within your multiple suppliers, you'll definitely find some secret hidden gems that not many people are selling and that you can sell it before anyone else. So this is a very trendy product right now. Add them to your stores. It's as simple as copying them from our